Hello everyone, good morning. I would like to introduce my project through a story of the childhood memories of my grandfather. He told me that he used to catch fishes from the rivers, and after listening from him, I became so much excited and I want to catch fish by myself on my city river. So I go there, but I get junks and garbages all in everywhere. So I become, what is happening? So I go to my grandfather and ask him, what is the story behind? Yes, you guessed it right. I am talking about the river of my city. And my project name is Resuscitating Dhaka's Lifeline. So Dhaka is the largest delta of all over the world. Bangladesh is the largest delta of all over the world, and Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. And Dhaka is surrounded by 5 rivers. That means surrounded by water, but lack of pure water, right? So the main river is Buriganga. So if we watch the historical commendations, so Dhaka has celebrated its 400th anniversary as the capital of the world. Capital of the Bangladesh. So Sir Henry Taylor compared it with Venice, and Thomas Buckland constructed a band there, and Patrick Geddes designed recreational space there. So, and Rabindranath Tagore even astonished by the sunset of this river. So oldest painting collected from British Library, we can see the activities like boating, trading, and walking near the shore was there. All the days have been passed. All the day has been passed. We have damages to all of our 5 senses. We have nothing. We have damages to listening, watching, smelling, and tasting. We have lost everything. So despite the river having spoken to a human being, but it feels our activity, right? It feels our activity and changes its color of water into black, when tons of plastics, wastages, and untreated sewage water penetrate the river each and every day. So pause, which is COVID-19, it slowed down the pollution. Yeah, COVID having taken away many things from us, but it revives the mother nature. Green water quality species have improved through this time. So after COVID, it's some post-COVID demands where green walking, exercising, and pollution-free areas and child playing zone areas are badly needed for us to care about our mental and physical health. So it's high time to push the reset button, and the reset button of the Buriganga River and the COVID era also. So can it be the next image of Buriganga Riverfront? Why not? So why there are some variations in walking trails and the environment? Many colorful ghars was, we can see many colorful ghars where different types of boats like traditional boat or hotel boat we can enjoy them from that. So why variations in different pathway to design for different types of people? So in the post-COVID world, there are some classification of people on the basis of the sensitivity. Some people are normal like before, but some people are oversensitive. So at the same time, the oversensitive people, sometimes they remain depressed also. So first we need to address them, then we need to engage them and make them socially active. So how? So we can do this, we can connect the sensitive and depressed people through nature in between. So it can it can be comfortable for them. So we can do this through greenery in between, and they can slowly learn to interact once again and feel comfortable. So is Dhaka, is it possible to design like this riverfront? Yes, it's possible, but it isn't possible to design the riverbank before we ensure the water quality is improved, right? So if we watch a case study, if Thames River, London have the same scenario of our city, so after 64 years of restoration works through treatment plant, they achieved. So this is the treatment plant process, which is the pre-treatment clarification, membranes and granulation, and the slush thickener process. So if Thames, why not Buriganga? Let's do it. So my site location is stretching from a bridge to an opening of a canal, which is highly polluted. Many eye-soothing structures like Lal Khuti and Asan Manjil is existing there. So I moved my water treatment plant project to the two sides of this beautiful site so that it don't disturb the eyes to see these beautiful structures. So my design inspiration is the mineral characteristics of the river. So on this side, we can see this treatment plant, and on this area, we can see that our child playing zone and walking zone, trails, and other facilities. So where the heritage structure is connected directly to riverfront, which was illegally occupied by some people. So it will connect the visibility to the structure. So if we see the functionality of the treatment plant, the pre-treatment clarification, which is number 2, and here the solid and liquid part of the polluted waters is divided into 2 parts. Then the solid part is moved to number 8, which is slush thicker, and it thickens the solid part, and it makes it a cake-like substance, which is used for landfilling. And the liquid part, which is moved in number 3, which is membrane filter, which filtered the water, and it sends it to number 4, which is granulation process, where the taste and the smell is improved, and also the dissolved oxygen level. So if we watch to the plan view, here the pre-treatment process, so the liquid part and the solid part is divided from here, and the solid parts move to the slush thicker process, and the solid and the liquid part moves to the process. It should be cleaned. So, and the orange part here is the dump rally part, which will collect the junks from rivers. The floating junks will enter through this channel by the force of natural forces of the wave. So why this entire project color is like reddish or the pinkish? So my color is reddish brown, represents the resilience of Bengali people, and the color Mughal pinkish color represents the historical color of this site. So if we watch in the section where the dump rally pod, the natural force push these junks to this pod, and a roller collect the pods to a dumping zone, which is done by solar panel overhead. So does it really work? Yeah, it's worked in world's different countries, and it works to clean the water. So local people will engage to my project, and they will collect waste from the dump rally pod. They will divide them into organic or inorganic or plastic, styrofoam, polythene, but the unemployed people can grow their own businesses and they can employ themselves. So on the treatment plant section, we can see that the slush thiccer and the retaining store, where the retaining is stored, the water is stored. So in this slush thiccer process, solid part needs sometimes water, it produced from the retaining store. So there is the exploded exon of my project, where we can see the roof and the pipe work and supporting post and the other parts of my project. So biodiversity research pod. Biodiversity research pod is designed from the water lily, which is the national flower of my country. So this research pod will clean the underwater 8-inch thick plastic layer. Some plastics are not able to float, they just drop down to the lower level of the river. So this pod will suck them and to the top, and it will clean the underwater biodiversity. So this is the riverfront development of my project, where people can enjoy the traditional kite flying and the traditional whaling and move to the ghats and can explore the boating. Okay, on the sustainability check, there were 3 points: social, economical, and environmental. So in the social, the local people will engage to my project, and the local material, Viridcoat steel, is used for my project. And the economical part, water tourism will be improved and job opportunity will be improved. And the environmental condition, connection with green and the scenic beauty of this riverfront will be ensured once again. So we can see some before-after images. So people can enjoy their professions once again. They can catch fish from the rivers. So children also can enjoy a beautiful flowery environment, and they used to play on the plastic field area. So they have rights. They have the future generation have rights to enjoy nature. All the nature is not for us. We have to be conscious about the future generation. What will they be enjoying if there is no nature? All the nature is for us. Some nature we have to keep for themselves, for them. Okay, no child like me will never get back to home without fish, as fish is our main food. So a boy is swimming on a polluted river, but his childhood memories should be swimming on a fresh water, like a clean environment. So a boy is collecting water lily from the river, where before he was just collecting junks or other things. So that will be the final look of my project, and it will revive the traditional Dhaka look once again with the kite flying facility, where the traditional kite flying, everyone fly the kites. So this will be the next image of Dhaka. Thank you so much.